Hello and welcome to our video on how to find and use Primo, Hester Memorial Library's catalog. To begin, navigate to my.ngu.edu and click on the NGU library icon. This takes you to our library's main website. Scroll to find the Primo header. You can do a quick search here, or you can select or click this link that takes you to the Primo main page. Sign in to have the full range of options by using your NGU credentials. These options include things like looking at and renewing your loans, viewing the status of your requests, saving favorites. Let's do a quick, simple keyword search. It automatically searches the Hester Library catalog, which will include our physical and electronic resources. If you do a search for sleep, you can see that we have a little over 2,800 results. That's a lot of results. So if you look at the left-hand sidebar, you can see filters. Perhaps if you're an online student, you may wish to view only the material that's available online. You can also set things like a publication date range, as well as which type of resource you're looking for, among other filter options. When you've selected the ones that you prefer, click Apply Filters, and it will give you the list. Let's take a look at this third book. It's available online, and if you click on that link, it will show you the different places that you can read the full text. If you click on one of these links, it will take you directly to that ebook. That was a simple search. However, we do have advanced search function. You may search by keyword, but you may prefer searching by title, author, or subject. Let's do a title search for The Great Gatsby. As opposed to looking at our available online resources, if you're close to North Greenville, you may prefer a physical copy. Simply select Held by Library for things that are on our shelves and apply the filters. Let's look at our options. We have a couple different versions. This top one says available at North Greenville University and where at our library, the faculty reserves, and other locations, meaning we have more than one copy. If you click that link, you can see the 3 locations we have that particular book. We have 2 at Faculty Reserve, but there's 1 on the shelves in our general collection, meaning that it is available for checkout. And you can see the call number. Let's do an author search for E.E. Cummings. And you can combine it with a title search for his complete poems. Search the Hester Library catalog, and you'll see that we don't have any records, meaning we do not have that book. However, as a North Greenville University student, you have access to more material than is on our shelves or that is in our catalog. That is because North Greenville is part of a group called Pascal, which includes the other college and university libraries in the state of South Carolina. So switch where you're searching from Hester Library Catalog to other Pascal libraries and do the same search. You can see that there are now results. So click the version that you're most interested in, and you can see a couple of different universities have that book on its shelves. If you are signed in, you can click this blue button and it will bring up a form. It is a request form. And Pascal will have the book delivered to you at your preferred location. It automatically selects North Greenville University as your preferred pickup place. However, if you're an online student, you can change this to a university or college library that's closer to you. For example, If you live in Aiken, you can click University of South Carolina, Aiken, and it automatically tells you the name of the library. Select this to acknowledge that you cannot break copyright law and send the request. Pascal will take a few days, but they will have the book sent to your preferred pickup location. Take your NGU ID once you receive an email saying that it's ready for pickup to that location, and you may check the book out there. When you're finished, you can simply return it to that same pickup location, and Pascal will deliver it to its rightful location. This is a free feature for North Greenville University students. Just remember that it does take a few days for books to travel between locations. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions about the Primo catalog, you can contact North Greenville University Reference Department at 864-977-7096 or by emailing reference@ngu.edu.